The Galaxy S24 Ultra is here, and it has big shoes to fill. Samsung hit it out of the park with the Galaxy S23 Ultra last year, so expectations are high. Beyond the general cosmetic and tech improvements, the main focus is on the cameras and artificial intelligence capabilities in 2024. AI will remain a big theme for all Samsung flagship phones this year, so we can safely say that this is just the beginning. Samsung has made some cool changes to the look and feel of this device. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is its first flagship to feature a titanium frame, providing the device with a superior fit and finish. It's very much an Ultra handset at its core, with the familiar boxy design and note silhouette. The display is a familiar 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with QHD+ resolution and 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. It now boasts a staggering 2600 nits of peak brightness with significantly improved outdoor visibility. While the other models in this latest lineup do come with the Exynos 2400 chipset in most markets, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has the distinction of being Snapdragon only. What that means is no matter where you are in the world, the Galaxy S24 Ultra you buy will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset. It's a slightly overclocked version of Qualcomm's bonkers 2024 flagship chipset with 12 GB of RAM available as standard in all variants of up to 1 TB storage. The new chipset has plenty of processing power for some of the great new AI features that the Galaxy S24 Ultra brings. The camera setup includes an improved 200-megapixel primary sensor alongside a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and 12-megapixel selfie camera. There's a new 50-megapixel 5x telephoto sensor as well, which improves the already impressive zoom capabilities of this model, including adding support for 5x portrait shots and 8K video recording at 5x zoom. The preliminary results we've seen have been great, and we're excited to test this camera in our full review. Samsung has also made an impressive commitment with its latest flagship phone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will receive 7 years of Android OS upgrades as well as 7 years of security updates. This means that you're supported for major OS upgrades beyond 2030.